Hey guys, welcome to Naughty Devil Creations. Long time no see, guys. So today we are making a raised bed garden for the foreman. So we picked up supplies. This is something we're going to try out this year, and if we really like it, we'll make some more robust ones next year. So these are kind of the test subject. So we got like tomatoes and bell peppers, and I think that's it that we're gonna be planting in them. And yeah, so hopefully everybody's been doing really good out there. Thank you for everybody that has subscribed lately. It's been very, very cool. Hit over 200 subscribers, almost 215 actually. So big thumbs up. Don't forget to like the video so that I know which videos. Leave a little comment down below. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so when I upload new videos, you guys get notified. So let me show you what we're going to be dealing with today. And I'm going to have to move the camera, so I'll see you guys here in a second. Alright guys, so we have 4x4 birch, we have 1x8 tongue and groove pine boards that we're going to stack two on top of one another. We're going to cut the groove off one side and the tongue off the other side. Obviously I don't need that. Obviously we need a tape measure. We need our square, and if you have one, and screws, and anything else, we will say drill. If you don't have a table saw, you don't have to cut these off. Pretty much the only tools you really need would be a drill and a hand saw, and you can build this thing. We do have a couple other things that we do have for this, so we will talk about that when we get to that point. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rip all these down, get them prepared. We're going to do the 4x4s. We're going to get those cut down to the height the foreman wants. And yeah, I'll talk to you after this montage of going stupid fast. Alright. Alright guys, so cut them, pocket hole. We got the pocket holes actually going down. I know it's not going to be the best for collecting water, but that's what we have. So we're going to pocket hole these in this way because the screws themselves are actually going to help. So when the weight of all this, the dirt and the rocks and everything go in there, it'll actually hold it, help hold it. Oh, look at that. That's how they sent it. That screw head almost full. And of course I just put it back in the box because that's what smart people do. But we'll get these in here. And grab one more. Just not that one. And we'll get all 4 of these braces in. And I'll show you when we get done putting all these braces in. It's going to be the same thing you just saw. Alright guys, so we got all these in. We could probably stand on it. I'm not going to. But very, very sturdy. Not going anywhere. And then we're going to go ahead. We're going to put in, it's a metal fabric. It's what they call it. They call it a cloth. But it's a metal mesh. We're going to put it in. So we're going to have it run up the sides. About yay far, about 2 inches. It doesn't matter. You can run it all the way up. But you need to have it go up a little bit to where you could staple it into your side wood. And then we're going to staple it across the 2x4s and on both ends. We'll have to cut it out for the 2x4, which we'll just notch that. We're not going to worry about actually having it go up on there. So we could, whichever side we cut out. Alright guys, so we put in the wire mesh with great pain towards the foreman. She cut her hand a couple times, but we got it in. I used a pneumatic stapler picked up at a big box store. It was like 35 bucks. As many staples you're going to put in might be an investment you want to do. If not, you can use a hand stapler that a lot of people have. But just get it in here. Try to get it about as tight as you can get it. It's not going to be super tight. It's just metal, expanded metal, cloth, whatever you want to call it. But be very, very careful. You will cut yourself on the edges that you do cut. But you lay it in, boom, 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 put it in, staple it. That's the air compressor. Alright, now that the air compressor's turned off, so yeah, just be really careful when you're installing that. There's blood right here from the foreman, and so she's at least done blood and sweat. We haven't gotten tears yet, but maybe one day we can actually show what the foreman looks like, so you guys actually believe that the foreman exists. Anyway, if you guys gotten this far and you haven't liked the video, maybe it's time to do that. Greatly appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when I start uploading videos more often. Anyway, so we got one more of these to do, and we will after we get the other one done, it'll probably be the next day. We'll show you putting the rocks in the dirt and planting in some tomatoes and some peppers. So let's get that other one done, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow, and it will be just a few seconds for you guys. Alright, see you in a second. Alright guys, so we got them both set up where we want to put them. We put rocks into this one in the bottom because we needed to find out how many cubic feet we needed to do. So just remember to do cubic feet. You just do length, width times height, and that gives you how many cubic feet you're going to need. So there's calculators if you have problems with that on the internet. So this is after we put the rocks in, we're bringing it up 9 inches, and then it's 5 feet by 2 feet. So this one is got the rocks in it. We're going to go ahead and put the rocks into this one. We're just putting a base layer down. It's about 1 inch thick. And then we have organic potting soil, because these are elevated beds, so they need more nutrients. And the foreman likes organic, so we're going with the organic style today. So sit back, enjoy the fast forwarding and the little montage of us filling these up, or me filling them up, and we will show you the end result with some plants in it here shortly. Alright, see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so all the dirt's in, looks great. The foreman's really happy. We got bell peppers in here, we got sweet tomatoes, and we got the beef tomatoes back here. So she's going to put compost when they grow up a little bit taller. Get some compost, some newspaper, put it in there, try to help keep the moisture in and the nutrients. So yeah, I really proud of these projects. Hopefully, if these do really good, we'll make some ones out of cedar next year. We've had bad luck growing tomatoes and peppers, and it's something that we both really enjoy to have fresh around the house. So really hoping that this is the magic trick for us. So anyway, if you guys have made it this far, I know it was a long video, but thank you very much for making it all the way to the end. Please like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification if I haven't said it 100 times in this video. But anyway, I do really appreciate you guys. I'm sorry I was on a long hiatus away from YouTube, but we are back, and we will be posting every week. So that's why you need to hit that bell, so you guys can see the videos when they come out. Alright, I will catch you guys in the next video. See you next time.